Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to turn in an assignment in Microsoft Teams. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to open up your Teams. You can go straight to your assignments here on the left hand side. I'm going to pretend that I'm in Miss Opal's class, so I'm going to click on Miss Opal. But your class should already be here. You probably only have one class. Now, as you can see, I have one assignment for Miss Opal's class, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on that. Now that my assignment is open, I just want to point out a couple of things. Here is the due date. Here are the instructions, which you need to make sure that you read. And this right here is the actual link to the assignment. This is what opens up the assignment. On the right hand side, you have a turn in button, and this button is the immersive reader. So if you're having trouble reading this, if you click here and then you click play, it'll read it for you. So to back out of that, if you did that, you just hit the back arrow. So now the next step to open up the assignment, you're going to click here where it says My Work. Notice how it opened up the assignment, but I can't type in there. I can't type anything. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to click on these three dots here, and you're going to go to where it says Open in Browser. Click that. It's going to open the Microsoft Word in a different browser, just like it just did here for me. Now I can type in this. Okay? So I've already typed something in my document. Twitch, this is my definition for Twitch. Let's say I type something else. A sound a mouse makes. Okay, now you're not going to use these definitions. You're going to look for your own, but this is just for me to show you how to do it. So once you do all of your 8 definitions, I believe it's 8 words, and you're done. All you have to do, you don't have to save anything because it does it for you. Notice here it says saved. Okay, so if you're in the middle of typing, see how it says saving, take a break. Wait for the saving to go from saving to saved. So that means once it's saved, you're good to go. So if you on your last word and you type something and you're completely finished, before you close this out, you want to make sure it just says saved here so that it got your last definition. Okay, so now let's pretend we've done all of our words. All you have to do is click the red X to close. And then we're going to close this page, which is just showing us our assignment. But don't worry, because anything that I've typed is going to now be in here. So if this still looks blank, don't freak out. It saved what you made. Close. So now I want to turn it in. Okay, so what you do now is you're going to click on this purple button that says Turn In. Then you should see some kind of little funny animation on the right hand side. And you should see a check mark at the top of your screen. That means that you've turned it in. If it says undo turn in, that means you're good to go. But let's say you turned it in, but you forgot to add the last definition. All you have to do is go to undo turn in, click it, and now it brought the assignment back for me. So I'll go back into my assignment. Notice, remember I told you it's going to save whatever you do. You're just going to reopen it again in the browser. Start typing. Okay. Once you feel like you're finished, exit out. Close. Turn in. Now sometimes it might do this to you. If this happens to you, all you're going to do is retry. You might need to retry it a couple of times. If that doesn't work, don't freak out. Remember, whatever you did or however you edited this or fixed this, it's saved. So sometimes you might need to back out and go back in again. Go back into your assignment, try turning it again, and just keep trying. You guys have to remember that Teams is being used by a lot of people at the same time, so sometimes it might give you a little error message, but I promise you if you keep trying, it'll turn in for you. It was doing this to me earlier, but after a couple of tries, it let me turn in. So this is another reason why we're giving you till 11:59 p.m. to turn it in, because we know that computers sometimes they mess up just like people. So we want to make sure that everybody has the opportunity to turn in things in a timely manner if in case there's errors like this one is. So we're going to keep retrying. All you would do is just keep retrying until, see, there we go, it turned in. So sometimes you might have to try a few times. You might need to close out Teams and go back in like I did, or just keep hitting retry. So this is how you turn in an assignment. Thank you for watching.